In this class you will learn about opacity maps, an extremely interesting resource for inserting elements in the landscape, such as people and plants in a 3D interface. An opacity map is often used as a mask. Then the brightest pixels are converted as the most opaque and the dimmest pixels become the most transparent. So the 100% white areas become opaque and the 100% black areas become transparent. So open the landscape file located in the course files and you can see the object is composed of only one face. This provides better viewing when applying rendering. In this case, this object will simulate a person, so this object should be around the height of a person to insert it into our 3D interface. If you wish to simulate plants, this face should be similar to real plants. Let's try to understand the concept. Before continuing in AutoCAD, we need to create the opacity map from the photograph you wish to insert. Start the creation of the opacity map in Photoshop and generate the negative in order to hide the part of the image you wish to ignore. This procedure is necessary as AutoCAD does not provide this kind of image resource. Open an image and let's edit the opacity map. We recommend using a high-resolution image as this will exert an effect on the final rendering results. Enable the background layer option and use the magic wand tool to select the area around the picture. Use the magic wand tool very carefully so that the mask is correctly selected, so that no unwanted parts are displayed. Then, on the Edit menu, select Fill and apply black as the color, so that it hides the entire selected area. After that, let's invert the selection and fill the corresponding area with white, so the map will be displayed. Finally, enable the Save As option on the File menu and save the image as JPEG. Designate a suggestive name to easily identify it for future use. Now it's ready. You can now go back to AutoCAD and enable the Materials editor. Now we will create the material. Click Create New Material and define the material type as Advanced. In the Diffuse map, let's select the Texture Map option and load the image. Click for Texture Map Settings and select the Fit to Gizmo option to resize the object. In the opacity field, let's load the opacity map previously created in Photoshop and perform the same resizing procedure. Then, to conclude, check the diffusion map to see if it has been designated as 100% opacity. Apply the material to the object and render it. See how it looks. So, now the image is rendered to meet your needs. You can even create a customized library with landscapes and several kinds of other images to add creativity to your drawings. So, you have studied about creating opacity maps, which is an extremely interesting resource and adds greater details to specific situations.